melasma has reduced and my skin looks way healthier now, and you can see that by yourself. So I used to have melasma here. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shanja here, and in today's video I'm going to share the benefits of drinking amla juice and honey on an empty stomach in the morning. I have been having this drink for over a month now, so thought it's time to share the benefits and the drink recipe with you all. So let's first get started with the benefits. I'm a huge follower of Ayurveda, and both honey and amla, they are considered superfoods in Ayurveda, and it's because of their medicinal properties and their ability to treat a lot of ailments. The first benefit that I noticed after having this drink is in my skin. If you have watched my videos before, you would know I'm suffering from hyperpigmentation, which is also called melasma. And I have gone through different experiences like mesotherapy and chemical peeling. And I will leave the link to the chemical peeling video in the description box. Since I have started having this drink, my skin has improved significantly. Melasma has reduced and my skin looks way healthier now, and you can see that by yourself. So I used to have melasma here. It's still there, but it has like faded a lot. And all I'm doing is having this amla juice and honey drink on an empty stomach in the morning every day. Amla is an elixir for our skin, and it is because it is very rich in vitamin C. It contains almost 8 times more vitamin C than an ordinary orange. Can you believe that? And also it is like very rich in antioxidants, and the same goes for honey as well. So honey is well known for its antioxidant properties. So both these, when mixed together, they have an amazing effect on your skin. They brighten your skin, they give it a healthy glow, and also reduce pigmentation. Also, as amla aids in digestion, it makes your gut healthier and prevents the breakout of acne. And since honey is known for its moisturizing properties, having honey on an empty stomach in the morning prevents dryness. Especially in winters, if your skin gets very dry, you should start having honey and amla in the morning, and you will soon see the benefits in terms of glow, in terms of brightening up of your skin, and in terms of your overall skin health. Not just healthier skin, amla and honey together, they have many other great benefits as well. Consuming this drink first thing in the morning is great for detoxification, as it helps in flushing out harmful toxins from the body and also helps in eliminating free radicals. And this mainly happens because of the water content of amla, which causes more production of urine and hence the removal of harmful toxins from the body. The other great benefit of having amla juice and honey on an empty stomach in the morning is weight loss, and it is because both amla juice and honey, they are powerful sources of antioxidants, which means they improve your digestive system and your body's metabolism rate. So people who target for weight loss, they have this drink in the morning because it helps them in burning fat. One of the other major benefits of this drink is its antibacterial and antiviral properties. Amla is very rich in vitamin C and honey is known for its antibacterial properties. And both these foods together help you fight off virus and bacteria. Also, honey is a soothing agent which reduces the soreness and itchiness in your throat. As a result, you should be able to improve your body's immune system and keep all the symptoms of common flu at bay. Also, as amla is rich in vitamins and minerals, it improves your body's energy level. And if you have this drink as first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, the effect is many folds. So if you have this drink on an empty stomach, you will see spikes in your energy level. Amla and honey also help in improving your overall hair health by reducing dryness and strengthening the hair follicles. Because amla is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, it strengthens the hair follicles and reduces hair fall. And because honey is known for its moisturizing properties, it adds moisture to your hair and scalp and prevents dryness. And here is the simple recipe of this 2 ingredient magical drink which has so many health benefits. It's winter time right now in Canada, so I'm going to heat up the water first, and I'm using this electrical kettle for that purpose. While the water is heating, I'll just take 1 spoon of honey, and this is the amla juice I'm going to use because that's what I got from Canada. And I'm just going to take 20 milliliter of amla juice and pour in 1 cup of lukewarm water. I'll mix it together so that honey is completely dissolved. And if you are in India, you will get many other options in amla juice, and prefer what is organic. And now I'm just going to enjoy this drink. I always drink it sip by sip so that the nutrients of both amla and honey are absorbed by my body. And honestly, this has become my favorite routine of the day. So now you see, when consumed on an empty stomach, amla juice with honey work wonders for our body, mind and skin. In fact, according to Ayurveda, regular consumption of amla juice and honey also promotes longevity, which is great. So try this drink on an empty stomach first thing in the morning for 30 days and see the benefits yourself. And since it's all Ayurvedic, there are no side effects as well. Just a little effort every morning can give you so many health benefits. Isn't that amazing? And I would love to read your success stories in the comment section below. So until we meet next time, take very good care of yourself and thank you so much for watching this video. Take care and bye-bye.